Does your license need saving? Do the wise thing. Call Wise Man Lawyers. Does your license need saving? Do the wise thing. Call Wise Man Lawyers. Don't face that court alone. Let the Wise Man team get you back on the road. Does your license need saving? Do the wise thing. Call the Wise Man team at Wise Man Lawyers.
Alright, today I'm at Atherton Magistrates Court, a bit over an hour inland of Cairns, so I flew up last night, stayed at Cairns, drove to Atherton this morning. Client was charged with mid-range drink driving, reading a .126. He hadn't lost his licence for any reason in the last 5 years. He was the holder of an open Queensland licence, and therefore he was eligible to apply for a DUI drink driving work licence, but as you can imagine, simple eligibility doesn't equate to automatic success. Worst case outcome without a work licence is a 12-month disqualification, mandatory minimum 3 months, but if you're successful in applying for a DUI drink driving work licence, that does double to 2 years with a mandatory minimum of 6 months. With regard to the work licence, basically what needs to happen is I need to draft about an 8-page affidavit up for the client to sign, talking about income, expenses, family situation, the difficulties that he and his family will suffer while he's without a licence, what happened on the day in question, etc., what he's learnt from it. I also need to draft about a 4-page affidavit up for the employer to sign, saying what the client does, again, why they need a licence to do it, or at least get there to do it, and the fact that without a licence they won't be able to do their job and their employment will be terminated. I drafted all those documents a bit over a week ago, forwarded them to the prosecutions and the court in advance. As I said, flew up last night, met my client at court this morning, ran through the procedure, what I was going to say, what the client could expect the magistrate and the prosecutor to say, etc. I don't like my clients to see and hear things as they're happening for the first time. I like them to be, fully abreast of what to expect before it happens rather than as it happens. I guided the magistrate through the affidavit materials, the fact that on balance in my submission he's a fit and proper person to be given a second chance, and the fact that he will suffer extreme financial hardship if he loses his licence. I mean, he lives at Atherton. It's a regional town with little to no public transport and no way of getting to and from work, especially if you don't work in town, which my client doesn't. I didn't waste the magistrate's time by speaking at length. I just guided them to the content of the affidavits. Ultimately, I was successful in persuading the magistrate to grant the application. The magistrate was ultimately persuaded that my client would suffer severe financial hardship without a licence, so that they were, on balance, a fit and proper person. My client was disqualified for 6 months, but a DUI drink driving work licence was granted, which overlaps that 6-month disqualification. So he's able to drive from 4 a.m. to 9 p.m. 7 days a week during the next 6 months, but for work purposes only. But that said, for work purposes, it is literally as if he hasn't lost his licence. He can't do shopping or visit his mum or anything like that, but again, as far as his job goes, it's as if he hasn't lost his licence. Client's, as you'd expect, very happy. I'm Andrew Wiseman. Thanks for watching. Hi, I'm Andrew Wiseman from Wiseman Lawyers, Queensland's only truly dedicated drug, alcohol and traffic offence law firm. If you face loss of licence, loss of vehicle imprisonment, or anything in between at any court in Queensland, we can and will help you today. This is our specialty. This is all we do. Give us a call, 1300 947 352. I look forward to helping you resolve your issue today.
Don't face that court alone. Let the Wise Man team get you back on the road. Does your license need